Hello, hello. My name is Emme Rain. I'm your magical mystic, and I like dweller that you're ready to begin your journey. And you're looking for a path that is clear and concise. You're looking for something to put your energy in so that you can see the outcome. Well, Foundations of Mysticism gets you started with some clarity. In the beginning, you need to know how to meditate. You need to know how to utilize your mental faculties to take advantage of all of the spiritual information that is right in front of you, that has been right in front of you your whole life. The whole purpose of this course is to help you work through the scary and the dark and realize that mysticism and spirituality is all about you. It's all inside of you. It's all around you. And so now you're going to be able to get the tools necessary to tap in to what's always been there. And for a lot of people, that doesn't sound like much, but take it from me as a person who spent 18 years in Christianity, preaching, teaching other leaders and all of that. And when I came into mysticism, I was a little bit unsure of myself. In fact, I was making room to go back to the church in case this didn't work out. However, it did work out, and just through meditation alone and tapping into trance state and visualizations, things that we're going to discuss in this course, I was able to become a millionaire. I was able to become a household name, and am becoming constantly a household name. People know me all around the world. I have students, as I said before, all around the world, and I'm helping other people become millionaires. As of the recording of this, we have 14 millionaires. What I call the law of attraction. Well, the power of law of attraction is visualization. And so you need a course like this to help you take full advantage of a law like that, right? So we're here to help you. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to send a message. We do respond to messages within 48 hours. We're doing this together, and I wish you nothing but success. Enjoy your course.